Happy Friday, Michael LaFido with your Luxury Weekly video. This week I want to share with you thinking outside the box, looking for reasons, looking for ways to do something that's not just a more value add, but to also document. You'll see some pictures and maybe a video clip here come across of an amazing new property that we're just putting on the market outside of Chicago for $5.2 million. We had it professionally staged, which they did an amazing job, but I documented that when the moving trucks were out in front, etc. Again, I want to articulate what makes me different and unique, so I documented the day of the staging and walked around and showed the stagers putting things out in the movers. But also, one thing that I did that the stagers didn't do is I staged the master closet, the walk-in closet, his, hers, and the cotton closet. They typically might clean things up a little bit, but my OCD kicked in. You'll see a video come across. I literally put stuff away, tucked things away, brought out some amazing Chanel boxes and various boxes. I put those purple shoes there, right there in her closet. I staged them in the middle. Again, be willing to do the things your competition isn't. So again, not just the photos will look better, but the experience when a buyer does come through, it will pop, look clean, look fresh. Again, document things. Don't assume the competition does it. You need to do a better job of articulating it. You know, Coors beer, I'm a Coors Light guy, but Coors Light talks about their processing and the waters from Rocky Mountains, and their whole process is probably similar to Miller Lite and Bud Light, but they articulate it and they tell the story better. You got to be a great storyteller. Again, Michael LaFido, hope you're doing well. Stay positive, and if you have questions, reach out. Hope you like this week's little educational tip, and if you're getting value, please leave us a like, leave us a review. Next week, I'll be coming to you live from Orlando. I'm going to be teaching at the Florida Association of Realtors, their big annual conference. So I'll take some great clips and share with you some big ahas. There'll be thousands of agents at that event. Take care.